Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of your coach apprenticeship training, and today you guys are going to learn a little bit about success partners. So your success partner is somebody that I'm going to pair you up with in this group here, and it's going to be based on personality types. According to the Book of Gems, there are 4 different personality types. There are rubies, there are emeralds, there are pearls, and there are sapphires. And as you take the quiz that I'm posting today, you will see that you're going to be classified into one of these groups. Now, I'm not saying that you're all that personality, because obviously you can be a mix of personalities or mix of different gems, but one is going to stand out. And based on that gem type, I am going to be pairing you up with a Success Club partner. So why are Success Club partners so important? Well, let me tell you, my Success Club partner is Deidre Penrose, and we were both paired up relatively as newer coaches together. Deidre and I both set goals, and we were both able to obtain Diamond within 90 days of our business. We were both able to complete 5-star Diamond and Elite, and this is because we pushed each other. We had weekly calls, weekly little mastermind sessions, and figured out what we were doing to grow our businesses forward every week. We are accountability partners. So if I told her that I was going to do 2 videos, I did 2 videos. And we kind of bounced ideas off of one another about how we were going to run our challenge groups and what we can do for our coaches so that our coaches are more successful. And by doing that, we were both able to hit our goals together. So based on what your personality type says, I'm going to be pairing you up with somebody in this group. It's really nice for new coaches to kind of being able to bond with one another, and you're going to see that you're going to develop some amazing friendships just in the group of coaches that you've met here in your coach apprenticeship group. But to have somebody else to be able to bounce things off of and kind of get an idea full and be able to keep you accountable to what it is that you want to achieve, that's what it's really about. That's really how you are going to move forward in this business. So I am here for you. You guys know that you guys can ask anything that you guys want, but it is so great to have that accountability factor. So for today's assignment, what I want you to do is take a look at these different characteristics of personalities and tell me what personality best describes you. After that, I will be pairing you up with your success partner, and then you guys can get to know each other through phone call, text, messaging, whatever best form of communication works best for you. So I can't wait for you guys to really start digging into things, and let's go.